Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you day 3 and 5, problems 1 through 4. These are on your packet. Just a quick little refresher. Arithmetic is when you see a pattern or difference that involves adding or subtracting the same number, or we also have geometric, which is multiplying or dividing by the same number. Okay, so keep that in mind when you're determining the numbers in the sequence and whether these numbers are arithmetic or geometric. So for the first one, in your sequence of numbers, they tell you the first number that you're going to be using. So that is the first number in your sequence of answers. You're going to find a couple of them by just plugging in the first number to find out the value of the second number. So let's do the first one as an example. So if we put in -2 plus 4, this is where if you have problems with doing problems like that are working with negative numbers, you can use Math Papa, P-A-P-A. That is the algebra calculator that I posted on our Google Classroom. That is the algebra calculator that you can use in order to help you in case that is something that gets you confused. So if we're working with this and we have -2 plus 4, our answer is going to be 2. Okay, so then we take that 2 when we plug it in over here. 2 plus 4, that's going to give us our next number, and you just keep going and find a couple of the numbers. Then you're going to look at it and you're saying, I'm using addition. So this problem is going to be what? Arithmetic, which is adding and subtracting, or geometric, okay? And then you're going to put that answer here. You're going to write whether it's arithmetic or geometric. So for the next one, this is where it gets a little tricky, and this is probably where some of us get confused. 1/4. So basically what you're doing for this problem is you're taking 1/4 and you're dividing it by the first number that they give you in the sequence, which is 8. So you can do on your calculators, 1/4 divided by 8. Right? Essentially, you're breaking down the number 8 into 4 equal parts, and that's how we get that answer, okay? So our answer when we do that is going to be 2, okay? Next, what you're going to do is you're going to put 2 as the value of n, and you're going to do 2 divided by 1/4. Now, that's going to give you a fraction answer, and you're going to be working with fractions. So make sure when you put this in your calculator, you're doing it correctly to get the correct answers. And again, then you determine if it's arithmetic or geometric, and you put that answer right here. Okay, and you follow the same format for the next two problems. Okay, you plug in the first number that they give you, and you put it in the value of n here, and you subtract. And again, you're going to be working with negative numbers, so I suggest you guys use Math Papa algebra calculator to help you with these problems. And the problem number 4, same thing. You take the 6 and you put it in for 2/3. So you can do 6 divided by 2/3. And again, you will be working with some numbers that are fractions, so just make sure that you use your calculator so that you don't get confused. Google has a calculator. Math Papa, I strongly suggest. All right, and don't forget to use everything that I put on here to help you in solving problems 1 through 4.